Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Heijun from Hanshi. Today, as a holiday special, I want to go over how to make a list of things to do in Korean language. So, as Christmas is coming up, what can you do on Christmas? You can write letters, or wrap presents, or eat something delicious, or even make snowman if it's a white Christmas. So let's try to make those lists in Korean. When you're making a list of things to do, you use the nominalizer key. What that does is it forms a noun out of a verb. So let's get right into the examples so I could tell you how that actually works. So on Christmas, you can write cards. Writing card is 카드를 쓰다. 카드, card. 쓰다 means to write. And if you want to make this into a list of things to do, then you simply drop 다 and add 기. Usually when you make these listings, you omit the object particle. So that becomes 카드 쓰기. It sounds more natural. And what else can you do? You can wrap presents. So to wrap a present is 선물을 포장하다. 선물, present. 포장하다 means to wrap. You drop 다 and add 기. 포장하기. 선물 포장하기. Again, I dropped the object particle 을 to make it sound a little more natural. And what else? You can eat delicious food, right? So to eat delicious food translates into 맛있는 음식을 먹다. 맛있는 음식을 먹다. But drop 다 and add 기. 맛있는 음식 먹기. And in Korean, these Christmas-related words are usually the same. So, like I said, card is 카드. Christmas is 크리스마스. Or we do have another word for it, 성탄절. But usually people would say Christmas. 크리스마스. And also, cake is another example. Cake is cake in Korean. Cake. So you can make a cake. Cake 만들기. 만들다 means to make. Cake 만들기. In Korean, we don't usually say bake a cookie or bake a cake, but we just say we make them. So we make a cake or make cookies. So cake 만들기 or cookie 만들기. And also you can decorate your Christmas tree. And in this case, the verb you're using for decorate is 꾸미다. But you can also use this as when someone is very dressed up or when they look a little different than other days, you can say 오늘 왜 이렇게 꾸몄어? 오늘 왜 이렇게 꾸몄어? That means why are you so dressed up today? 오늘, today. 왜, why? 이렇게, this much. 꾸몄어. So decorating your Christmas tree becomes 크리스마스 트리 꾸미기. 크리스마스 트리 꾸미기. And we can't miss out on hot chocolate, right? Hot chocolate in Korean becomes hot choco. We just call it hot choco. hot choco. So hot choco 마시기. 마시다 means to drink. So hot choco 마시기. What else can you do? You can make a snowman. Snowman in Korean is 눈사람. 눈 is snow and 사람 is person. 눈사람 만들기. Again, 만들다 means to make. So 눈사람 만들기. Let me teach you one last thing. Do nothing. 아무것도 안 하기. 아무것도 is a fixed phrase of anything. But when you're using 아무것도, you need to have a negative statement that follows. So in this case, do nothing, right? So 아무것도 안 하기. 안 is a negative statement of saying not. And 하다 is to do. So 안 하다 means to not do something. So 안 하기. 아무것도 안 하기. To do nothing. So now you kind of get the idea how to use this nominalizer key, right? As long as you know what verb you're using with a certain subject, then you can easily turn them into noun by attaching key. I think this Christmas will be a little different for everyone because it's pandemic, but I hope you still have a joyful and delightful and a warm Christmas with your family. I hope you enjoyed this video, and Merry Christmas!